What's up, guys? And we're back with Undertale, and yeah, Snowden spaghetti. That's a pretty weird thing, but okay, let's continue. Okay, we're now here. We're continuing the story. So, warning, dog marriage. Oh, okay. So, let's look down here. A fight. It's a lizard dog. Okay, let's see what we can do. Check. Lizard dog. Attack 7, defense 0. Wild a stone dagger made of power granite. Oh, mount. Ooh, it's a 9 dog. Lizard dog pet. Wait, what? His head just tiny bark. Okay. Oh. Nice cream. I'm not gonna eat the snow piece because, yeah, I got it and he said that I could take it with me and yeah. And I could hold it in my inventory, so yeah. Let's hold it there. Let's not break the promise. Oh, frick. Okay. Lizard dog, I can mercy. Spare. Okay. Now it's spared. Let's start going down. Wait, what? Oh, it's snow. Okay. So this is a puzzle of snow right now. Let's try to okay, this is a puzzle of snow. So I'm gonna here's the entrance and I need to go here because yeah. And then I can go here. Wait, isn't this a map of this area? Wait. Isn't here the sign? And I started fighting. Oh, that means, well, there's a... Okay, let's go there. Let's just see what is there. It's, there's a switch hidden in the snow. Click. Oh, nice. Oh, I got in a fight again. Act. Can I just flee? Oh yeah, I can. I can flee. Let's go here and let's go down. Oh, the door's open. Okay, let me just go here. Okay. What? That's like dog warriors. What's that smell? Where's that smell? If you're a smell, identify yourself. Here's that weird smell. It makes me want to eliminate you. Doggy assault you. Aww. Okay, let's see. I can just roll around. You roll around in the dirt and snow. You smell like a weird puppy. Take my wife, please. Don't actually. Oh, frick. Ow. Oh, that was pretty easy. It's coming bugs on me. Oh, frick. Okay. Let's see something. Oh, I can't. I'm gonna die. Okay, let's me. Pet. Okay, let's... The dogs are too suspicious of your smell. How soft you smell, human. Oh, frick. They know... Oh, I died. Okay, I think they know that I'm a human right now. Because I pet them. Our fate rests upon you. Dulgy. Stay determined. Okay, I get it. So I spawn here. I'm just gonna ignore that spaghetti. Oh, I have to do the puzzle again. Stop! Oh, what's the dog? Can I just flee? Yeah. Okay, let's go and press the switch again. There's a switch here in the snow. Okay. Now, let's go back to the doors. So, yeah. I won't step on that. Let's try again to fight them. Or not fight, actually, because I'm playing as pacifist, so I don't want to fight them. I want to just, yeah, be friendly with them. What's that smell? Where's the smell? Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's eliminate you. Let's try again. I can't flee right now, so the Gressa. Roll around. You roll around in the dirt and snow. You smell like a weird puppy. Take my wife. Don't actually. Oh, that's a pretty easy attack. Okay. The dogs may want to re-smell you. Re-sniff. The dogs sniff you again. After rolling in the dirt, you smell alright. What smells like a... Okay, I didn't have time to read that, so... Yeah, let's continue. The dogs think that you may be a lost puppy. Oh yeah, I'm a lost puppy. So, let's roll around. You roll around in the dirt and snow. You smell like a weird puppy. No two nozzle champs. 98. Okay, I didn't have time to read that. Okay, but still. So, how? Dogs already know you smell fine. What smells like a... Are you actually a little puppy? Okay. The dogs think that you may be a lost puppy. I can't spare. No. Dogamy. Roll around. You roll around in the dirt and snow. You smell like a weird puppy. Take my wife. Okay. Don't take it. So I can't move? Well, that's weird. Okay. How can they... I have to pet. You pet the doggeressa. What's about me? A dog pets a dogs. Amazing! Oh, nice. Dogs pet dogs. From now on. That's the new rule of the world. If you're a dog, you have to pet other dogs. Like, oh my. Okay. Dogs are practicing for the next couple's contest. Pet. You pet Dogamy. Whoa! Pet by another pup. Don't leave me. Wait, don't leave me out. Okay. So I can spare. Yay! I got it. Okay, we got it. Dogs can pet other dogs. A new world has opened up for us. Thanks, weird puppy. Well, that was good. I like it. Oh no, another puzzle again. Okay, let's try. Like that. and then like this. No, it didn't work. What is it? Turn every X into an O, then press the switch. Okay, I'll do it. Oh, Papyrus, what? How did you avoid my trap? And more importantly, is there any left for me? What do you tell? Ate it. Really? Wowie! No one's ever enjoyed my cooking before. Well then, fret not, human. I, Master Chief Papyrus, will make you all my pasta you could ever want. Yeah. Okay, so that. Let's go around here. Okay, let's put this one like that and there. Okay, I got it. Like, there's so many other things to this world. I can look. Okay, I can see it. Yes, Papyrus. My brother started a sock collection recently. How saddening. Sometimes I wonder what he would do without such a cool guy taking care of him. Yeah! Human? How do you say this? How do I say this? You were taking a long time to arrive, so I decided to improve this puzzle. My arranging the snow look more like my face. Unfortunately, the snow froze to the ground. Now the solution is different. And as usual, my lazy brother is nowhere around. I suppose what I am saying is, worry not, human. I, the great Papyrus, will solve this conundrum. Then we can both proceed. Meanwhile, feel free to try the puzzle yourself. I'll try not to give away the answer. Okay, turn every X into an O, then press the switch. Oh, now it's a little harder. Maybe I can do it. Maybe yeah, maybe not. Okay, so... Oh yeah, I can do it. It's just like this, 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 this. Then like this, this. Wait, what? This is pretty hard. Oh no, I failed it. Okay, let's try again. So I start. Okay, I have a solution. Let's go here, here, and then like this. Oh, now I have a solution. I got it. Papyrus, I got it. I'm not really sure if I did, but let's try. So I'll just go like so let's think about this in a second. I'll pause the video until I figure this out. So yeah, I got it. Whoa! You solved it! And you did it all without my help. Incredible! I'm impressed. You must care about puzzles like I do. Well, I'm sure you'll love the next puzzle then. It might even be too easy for you. Wait, my friend's talking to me. So yeah, I'm back. Ah, we got the puzzle. Now I'm inside. So, oh, Sans. Sorry, Sans. I don't want to talk right now. Sorry, bro. Wait, he's here? Hey. Oh, hey! It's the human! You're gonna love this puzzle. It was made by the great Dr. Alphys. You see these tiles? Once I throw the switch, they will begin to change color. Each color has a different function. Red tiles are impassable. You cannot walk on them. Yellow tiles are electric. They will electrocute you. Green tiles are alarm tiles. If you step on them, you will have to fight a monster. Orange tiles are orange scented. They will make you smell delicious. Blue tiles are water tiles. Swim through if you like, but if you smell like oranges, the piranhas will bite you. Also, if a blue tile is next to a yellow tile, the water will also zap you. Purple tiles are slippery. You will slide to the next tile. However, the slippery soap smells like lemons, which piranhas do not like. Purple and blue are okay. Finally, pink tiles. They don't do anything. Step on them all you like. How was that? Understand? Understand explaining? Okay, I guess I'll repeat. Okay, I don't want to. Oh, those ones don't even do anything. Okay, do you understand better now? Even less. Okay, you know what? How about you just do this puzzle on your own? I'll leave the instructions. Just read them. When you understand it, you can throw the switch. And do it your own pace. Good luck. Oh, that was pretty easy. This dog is staring blankly into the snow, waiting for it to turn into art. I don't think that's gonna happen, but stay determined to the snow. Okay, I think knowing that dog will never give up trying to make the perfect snow dog, it fills you with determination. Save. Fall save. Okay, I think this was this episode, and see you in the next one. Like and subscribe. Bye! Oh my gosh.